You're passionate about fitness and cycling. These extraordinary workout bicycles are tailor-made for you. They're far from your everyday bicycles, boasting exceptional features and capabilities that cater to dedicated fitness enthusiasts. So, if you're eager to elevate your workout routine, just keep on watching. Elliptigo 11R. The Elliptigo 11R is the pinnacle of outdoor elliptical cycles, designed for serious fitness enthusiasts. It's capable of climbing hills like a traditional road bike, making it an ideal choice for those seeking an intense workout. Notable features include an 11-speed Shimano hub for high-speed sprints and hill conquering, carbon fiber driver arms for a comfortable ride, an adjustable stride length to accommodate riders of all sizes, and a foldable steering column for easy transport. Whether you're an elite athlete or a recreational rider, the Elliptigo 11R delivers a smooth, fun, and high-performance experience. MiMover Speed Pro. The MiMover Speed Pro offers a unique blend of skiing and running motions to work 6 major muscle groups, making it an excellent choice for core and cardio training. This outdoor elliptical bike can reach speeds of over 20 miles per hour and features ergonomic handlebars and an aluminum alloy frame. What sets it apart is its ability to fold in just 5 seconds for convenient transport. If you're looking for an efficient, low-impact, and high-speed workout machine, the MiMover Speed Pro might be your ideal fitness companion. Cyclite. Cyclite represents the culmination of 20 years of development, offering a stand-up bike experience that harnesses the body's power while minimizing impact and strain. This Californian-designed stand-up bike delivers a fast, fun, safe, and comfortable ride on both roads and trails. Its teardrop motion combines the best elements of running and cycling, catering to runners and cyclists alike. The Cyclite features top-of-the-line components, including a SRAM Eagle 1X12 drivetrain and 29-inch wheels, making it suitable for various terrains and even bike packing. VAR Bike FR3. The VAR Bike FR3 stands out for its innovative combination of traditional leg-powered drivetrain and a set of handlebar stem-mounted cranks that riders can use with their arms. Research suggests that this dual-power approach can increase a rider's maximum power output by over 30%. Additionally, the VAR Bike provides an option for a more upright riding position with narrow, flat handlebars. The unique steering system is achieved through leaning into turns. This bike offers a versatile and comprehensive workout experience. Street Strider. Street Strider is a mobile elliptical trainer that replicates the motion of stationary elliptical machines outdoors, offering a full-body, low-impact, high cardiovascular workout while on the move. It combines a T-shaped lower frame with reciprocating arm levers and is suitable for physical fitness, weight loss, physical therapy, and outdoor adventures. Some models offer a stationary trainer stand for indoor use during inclement weather. If you're looking for a unique and effective way to stay fit while enjoying the great outdoors, the Street Strider could be an exciting choice. Lopit. The Lopit is a revolutionary blend of a treadmill and a bike, offering a completely unique way of getting around while staying fit. With electric assistance, it turns walking into a breeze, boosting your pace to that of a regular bicycle. Invented by Bruin Bergmeister, this innovative walking bicycle evolved from his idea while using a treadmill at the gym. The Lopit combines a treadmill between the wheels with an electric motor for a more interesting and faster alternative to normal walking. It hit the streets back in 2014 and has gained popularity worldwide, providing an exciting fitness option for riders in Europe, the USA, and South America. And that's it for our list of unique workout bikes. Although these unique workout bicycles may come with a steep price tag, They also offer a variety of options for fitness enthusiasts looking to take their workouts to the next level. If you're ready to have a fun and unique workout experience while investing in your health, one of these exceptional machines might be the perfect fit for you. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next episode.